Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to learn about machine tools and especially lathes. That's what we do the practical on, so that's why. So, a machine which performs the material removal operation with tools to produce desired shape and size of the workpiece is known as machine tool. There are of various types that are used in the workshop, like lathes, shapers, drilling machines, milling machines, and grinding machines. Machine tools are used to improve production rates, to reduce cost of production, to reduce fatigue of workers, to achieve better quality, and to reduce wastage. Lathe is probably one of the most earliest machine tools and one of the most versatile and widely used machine tools, also called mother of machine tools. The job to be machined is held and rotated in a lathe chuck. Job is the workpiece that you have to make of desired shape. And a chuck is a part on the lathe, a stationary cutting tool, which is the stationary cutting tool, which is harder than the job, and the job advance against rotating the job. Some of the common operations, I don't know what this, which is harder than the job, is advanced rotating. The sentence doesn't work out quite well, so that's it, whatever. Some of the common operations performed the lathe are facing, turning, step taper, plane drilling, threading, knurling, and boring. Facing means making the face flat, turning, and, what is turning? Maybe reducing diameter. Drilling holes. Threading means creating threads like and screws. Knurling, I forgot what knurling was. And boring means making the hole larger. So the operation are limited to a circle profile. So we have headstock, apron, beds, carriage, compound slide, dead center, tail, stock, legs. Principal parts of lathe. Principal parts are bed, headstock, tailstock, carriage, feed mechanisms, and change gears, legs. Bed is the base or foundation of lathe. Yeah, everything very first except on cutting tool during operation that must be rigid and robust. It is heavy, rugged, and single piece cast. The thing was made to support other parts. For each line, however, in case of large machine, maybe of two pieces bolted together form desired length, there's always likelihood of distortion taking place. What the heck, man? Due to cooling stresses set up during solidification of casting. The void aging is prevalent in aging, bait casting a rough machine and left open for considerable time and then machine to the required size. Part laid, two sets of guideway. They are at the top for carriers and tail stock, outer weight is for carriers and inner weight is for the tail stock. Bit length is one of the specifications of lead. The principal parts of later headstock. The permanently headstock is used for permanently fastened. It's permanently fastened on the inner weight at the left side of the blade. Headstock spindle is hollow cylinder helical shaft supported by bearing and provides driving from motor to the holding device. A live center and sleeve, a faceplate or chuck can be fitted to the spindle nose to hold and drive the work. And tailstock is situated at the opposite of the headstock, mounted on the inner guard weight of the lead blade. Tailstock spindle is a hollow tapered shaft that can be used to hold the dead center or other tools. And wheel is used to fix the position of the dead center with spindles. Principal parts of the blade are carriage. A carriage controls and supports the cutting tool. By itself, tool moves away or towards the stock. Okay. There's following major parts: cross slide, compound rest, tool post, and apron. Right. And it is a lot of parts, right? It's very cool machine. According to construction and design, types of lathe are speed lathe, engineer center lathe, bench lathe, tool room lathe, caption and third lathe, automatic lathe, special purpose lathe. Feed again. The movement of tool relative to work is called feed. Longitudinal feed, tool moves parallel to the work. That is towards or away from the headstock. Simple. Turning and knurling. Tool moves perpendicular to work towards or away from the operator. That's cross feed, and tool moves at an angle to the work of the inverse button. Tool is varied by moving carriage and compound rest. What's the tool? I don't understand tool. The tool is the cutting machine, I guess. Cutting tool. Okay, I get it. I get it now. Longitudinal fields means the tool moves parallel to the work, that is towards or away from the headstock. Crossfade means tool moves perpendicular to the work, towards or away from the operator. And tool moves at an angle, that's called angular. Lathe accessories are devices which are used for holding and supporting the work and the tool on the lathe are called lathe accessories. Chucks. These are used for holding and rotating workpiece. It is attached to the lathe spindle with bolts. Right, and that's this means the word bolts. Several types of chalks are available according to the nature of work. Important ones are three-jaw universal chalk, self-centering chalk, and four-jaw and independent chalk, adjustable center, or is a combination magnetic and colored chalks. Jaws, we have chalk keys, scroll bodies, and jaws. And we have key socket, keyboard universal jaws, four-jaw independent chalks. Centers. The lathe center is a hardened steel device with a taper sank on one end and a point on the other. The taper sank fits the taper spindle hole at headstock or tailstock. The center which fits at headstock and revolves with job is called life center, and which fits with tailstock is called dead center. Center, the center now is still about 30%. 30% fits the taper spindle hole at headstock or tailstock. The center which fits at headstock and revolves with the job is called life center, and which fits with tailstock is called dead center. Okay, what is this? Ball center, pipe center, housing. Faceplate. Cast iron disc having a threaded hole. Consists of a number of holes and slots by which work can be secured. These are mainly employed in the case of eccentric jobs. An angle plate is used to hold job with faceplates in an eccentric job. A weight is fitted to counterbalance the eccentricity. Okay, angle plate is employed for holding work in conjunction with faceplate when shape of work is that it is not possible to mount the work directly on faceplate. Angle plate is equal to faceplate is almost indispensable almost an indispensable. What is that? Attachment for most operations in faceplate. Driving plate, cost or desk having a projected boss is this part that's shown in the figure. Boss carries internal thread so that can be screwed in spindle. Nose carries a hole to accommodate pin which engages with tail of lead dog. A lead dog or carrier. It is attached to the workpiece to be turned between centers. It is attached to the drive or slash faceplate for blunt tail dog is taken out and bent portion is inserted in hole. Okay. Uh, I don't know when we'll use it, but anyways, straight tool. You just have to use these materials to get an idea. If you don't use it, it's just useless. These tools are the principal cutting materials are carbon steels, high-speed steel, cemented carbines, diamonds, medium alloy steels, satellites, ceramics, and abrasive aluminum oxide. Install level. Lead tools are also as left hand and right hand tools for roughing and finishing. Roughing, finishing, side facing, round nose, side facing, right cut, finishing, roughing. Lead tools for general purpose works are as turning, piecing, threading, single point cutting is used. Multi point cutting tools are used for operations such as drilling, knurling, etc. Depending on the nature of operation, lead tools are classified as turning tool, facing tool, chamfering tool, formal profile tool, parting or necking tool, external threading tool, internal threading, boring tool, knurling tools. Left hand turning tool, right hand, right hand. This is not fun. Left hand, right hand, chamfering tool, formal profile tools, parting or necking tool, chamfering, knurling, boring, internal threading, all the tools. Holy shit is this? Oh my goodness gracious. Do I have a single material for all of this? That's very cute. I just got the factor turning. The speed refers to the spindle and workpiece. For particle trading operations, surface speed is important. Every different diameter on a workpiece will have a different carrying speed, even though the rotating speed remains the same. Feed refers to the cutting tool and it is the rate at which the tool advances along its cutting path. It is preserved, expressed in millimeter per revolution. Need for change of speed. Workpiece has to be rotated differently under different conditions, like workpiece material, cutting tool material, type of work operation, workpiece size, surface finish, sorting fluid, relative machine tool, and the several cutting factors in turning a depth of cut. It's the thickness of the layer being removed from the workpiece or the distance from the uncut surface of the work to cut the surface, as expressed in millimeters. Now, the workpiece is reduced by 2 times the depth of the cut because this layer is being removed from both sides of the work. Okay. The diameter of the workpiece is reduced by 2 times the depth of cut because this layer is being removed from both sides of the work. Working of engine laid operation centering not required for jaw type. Moja rock center is located by meaning of using combinations that are using a pull center punch. Center is not used for trees or lime. After locating center, center holes are used by countersunk tool or drill. Piecing is the operation of machining ends of a piece of working to produce a flat surface. Facing tool is failed through cross slide from center of tool to outwards or vice versa. Tool, chucked work tool. The operations. Plane turning is an operation of removing excess amount of material from the surface of the cylinder to the workpiece. This operation is done for reducing the damage of the workpiece. Well, plane turning is an operation of removing excess amount of material from the surface of the cylindrical workpiece. This operation is done for reducing the diameter of the workpiece. Okay. Step turning is an operation of producing different diameters in the workpiece. Okay. Taper turning is an operation for producing an external conical surface on a workpiece. Taper turning of producing an external conical surface on a workpiece can be performed by test of the over may have ice the compound rest over using taper turning attachment. Step turning, plane turning, taper turning. Right. Very nice. I understood this just now because before I literally didn't understand anything. You have to just perform this to understand this because if without performing you cannot understand any of this BS. Operation of producing different diameters in the workpiece time. Taper turning is operation of producing an external conical surface on workpiece can perform by deadlock set over method by the compounders are using taper turning attachment. Drilling is an operation of making holes in the workpiece with the help of drill bit. Focus hard chuck and drill a solid tail stock and police fired manually including the workpiece by rotating tail stock handle. Late operations. Job drill tail stock and Wow. Lead operation is boring as an operation of enlarging a hole already made in a workpiece. But it will hold in the tool post and spread in the work as similar to plane turning, undercutting, or grooving. It is an operation of reducing diameter of a workpiece over a very narrow surface. Tool is fed into a revolving work up to the desired depth at right angles to the workpiece. Reducing diameter workpiece. This all may be completely parted by a similar operation called as parting off, like the parting of tool. Lathe operations are threading. Both external and internal threads can be caught on the lathe. Some lathes are provided with quick change gears, blocks, black gear mechanism, which enables the establishment of the required speed ratio very quickly. Charge is provided in the form of the speed and feed to produce threads of different bits. Knurling provides this is a regularly shaped roughened surface on a workpiece called knurl. It is raised diamond shape and gives better grip. Regularly shaped roughened surface on a workpiece called knurl. Okay, cool. Very cool. Work knurl tool holder. That's right operation with this tool. So that is it. Knurling provides I think Everything's pretty clear. Boring's pretty clear. Drilling's pretty clear. Step different diameters and deeper than external conical surface. Deeper turning means an angle. Tapered. I think knurling and grooving of reducing diameter of a workpiece over a very narrow surface. Knurling, what's knurling? But anyways, that's it. Knurling is the process. It is raised dimension and gives better grip. What is a regularly shaped roughened surface on a workpiece? That's it.